In the metals quadrant today, taking a look at the June palladium figures, which were up 3%. Very strong run for palladium lately. We were up 2.99% on the highs in that June contract today, down 77 basis points on the lows. And actually, we only finished up about 0.25% on the day. So we had a big range from down 77 basis points to up 3% and then came all the way down. But that really doesn't dismiss that palladium is up the last 2 weeks pretty big, up 3% this week, following last week's 5.26% gain. The metal is now up 9 of the last 12 sessions and 8 of the last 12 weeks since putting in a short-term bottom the week of January 25th. So very strong performance for this new precious metal. Now, supply has been part of it, and it's part of the sell-off that we saw yesterday, some of which got reversed today. Norilsk Nickel lifted their 2021 production forecast slightly as one of its mine resumes work ahead of schedule after some flooding. Now, Nornickel, which is what it's called sometimes, is the largest producer of palladium individually on the globe. And when one of their mines got shut down for flooding, that helped an already bull trend. We got a little bit of that out of the market yesterday as we sold off as this announcement came that they were going to resume production early. And then it came back up a little bit today, but settling more toward the end of the day. We tend to see that kind of long liquidation in toward the weekend when you don't really know what's going to happen. So that was a supply story. But palladium is always a demand story, and demand is expected to increase as palladium is used in catalytic converters. And the palladium market has been in a production deficit for several years. Tighter pollution standards in Europe and China are spurring demand for the metal from those automakers, not just here in the US. And all the major analysts are predicting a continued bull run for palladium. Doesn't mean they're right, but that's what we're seeing right now. So you're likely to see the dips like yesterday continue to be bought. That's what happened today, even though we sold off into the close.